Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can enable the developer options at the Xiaomi 12X. Now for that we will need the settings for. So just scroll down here right next to the camera, scroll down right next to the camera, and then you will have here the control center. And the part of the control center is here the symbol for the settings. Just tap on it. And now you will need here the settings, the first point about phone. And here we will need the MIUI version number. And you have to tap that MIUI version number now for 7 times. Below you can see already a countdown. And then you are a developer for the phone. If you go now back one step here, so that you're back in the general settings, then just scroll down to the point additional settings. You will find here at the end of the additional settings the developer options. Now you can do the stuff you wanted to do, maybe to enable the stay awake mode or the USB debugging or so much more. Yeah, if you finish with the stuff you wanted to do, you can also disable them here on the top. And yeah, if I go back, they're still there, but if I go back again here and tap again on the additional settings, they're no more there. But you can have them always back by just tapping 7 times on the MIUI version number as I have shown you before. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.